It's a 2014 Nissan Pathfinder. Leave no child, nor boat, nor trailer behind in this Pathfinder, thanks to its comfortable seating for 7 and strong towing capability. It comes with great features you love: auxiliary audio input, tire fill assistant, dual zone climate control, power windows, manual tilting steering column, continuously variable automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and V6 engine. Kelley Blue Book reports a large upward sloping grille and 2 large headlight housings convey toughness, but for the most part the latest Pathfinder projects a friendly image. Nissan excites the senses so you can enjoy the journey. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.